6 types of kitchen islands. You can barely even classify this as a kitchen island, but we must start somewhere. Rolling carts are more like portable prep areas that you keep to the side of the kitchen rather than featuring prominently and permanently alongside your primary counters. The butcher block cart is a familiar type of rolling island. These islands differ from the portable, rolling cart islands, listed above, in that they do not have wheels on the bottom. More importantly, they actually strive to emulate a real kitchen island. It's got 4 legs and a flat top, so it's a table, yet it's positioned where the island usually is, so it must be an island. It's nothing more than a table that's used as an island for preparing food. An island built out of pre-existing materials, a base cabinet or 2 or 4, topped with countertop material. The fully functional kitchen island does everything that the primary countertops do: electrical, sink, drainage, and ample countertop space. Is it a kitchen island for cooking or is it a kitchen island for eating? It can't quite make up its mind, so it has decided to be both. This island combines the 2 functions but still delineates them so that cooking is done on a lower level and eating on a higher level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.